Hey dear viewers, welcome back to Mr. Tech Fox. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Google Drive app in your PC. This is pretty simple. You have to follow all the steps in this video. First of all, you have to open a browser from your PC. Here I am using the Chrome browser. And then you have to search on the search bar Google Drive download for PC. And here you will see many options to download the app. You have to choose the first one. Here I am clicking on the first one, and here you will get an option to download the file. Normally you have to click on this button and then the download will be started. Normally you have to open the file. Then they are asking to tick some checkboxes here. I'm clicking on this checkbox and then clicking on install button, and here you can see that the app is gonna be installed in the PC. And now we are gonna check if our app is already installed in our device or not. First of all, we have to click on the folder icon of our PC, and if we look on the left side of our PC, we'll see an option called Google Drive. Normally we have to click on this option, and here we have to connect our Google Drive Gmail with this app. And I already connected my Gmail account in this Google Drive app so that you can see all the folders and files of my Gmail are showing here. And now if you want to change the Gmail of your drive, normally you have to click on this arrow icon and then you have to choose this option called Google Drive. And here you will see an settings icon here. You have to click on here and then you have to click on preferences and then you have to choose an account by clicking on here. And normally you can choose this account from your Chrome browser. So that's all about today's video. See you in the next video. Stay connected with Mr. Tech Fox. Thank you.